Johnson City Church will be giving away an AR-15 as part of a raffle over the weekend. The church says they're doing it in celebration of Independence Day. News Channel 11's Jayana Scurry sat down with church leaders following the announcement. Jayana?
Sarah, Pastor Todd Holmes says this giveaway of this AR-15 is not out of the ordinary for the River Church. They've given away guns in the past, and he says this raffle is just another one of their giveaways to be a blessing to others.
This is going to end up in the hands of one extremely blessed individual. And so I want to encourage...
This is just one of the many giveaways that we do here at our church. And I thought it was appropriate since it's, about our nation's independence and part of our Constitution and our Second Amendment rights.
The River of Tri-Cities Church has raffled off cars, boats, vacations, and even guns before. Senior Pastor Todd Holmes says he understands if people affected from gun violence feel like this is inconsiderate.
There's a lot more opportunity to be killed in vehicular violence or crash, I guess I should say, than there would be a gun. And people, can get upset about something, but in the end, it's really not about a gun. It's about a person's heart. And because a gun in itself is not evil. It's as good or as evil as the person that's using it.
Holmes says precautions will be taken. Whoever wins the AR-15 must pass a background check first before receiving the gun.
I want people to know that we're not putting the gun in the hands of suspects, okay? But it would just be people who totally pass a background check and who legitimately are allowed to own a firearm.
Holmes says many ex-military and law enforcement attend the river as well, including veteran Kai Carter, who says he feels like this raffle is just another giveaway.
We're just very active in the community. Like people focus on the guns and things like that, but nobody focused on last week when we were in a local community and we gave away like gift cards and cooked out for the entire community and blessed the entire community just to be a blessing.
Both Holmes and Carter say they are not sure if this raffle would help bring people out to their church.
I don't necessarily think that it will make them become members of our congregation. That's only done through relationship. You have to build relationships.
The raffle is this upcoming Sunday, July 7th, after their 10 a.m. morning worship service. The winner must be registered before the service and stay until the end.
Jayana, thanks.